In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Microsoft Teams. If your meetings are showing the wrong time or your calendar in Teams doesn't match your local time, this usually happens because your device time zone needs to be updated. The important thing to know is that Microsoft Teams often follows your system settings, so the change is typically made through Windows rather than inside Teams itself. To get started, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. This helps you confirm you're working on the correct device and makes it easier to check the result once the time zone has been updated. You don't need to change anything inside Teams yet, just make sure it's open and ready. Next, on your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. This is a quick shortcut that opens your Windows settings menu. It's one of the fastest ways to reach the system options you need, especially if you want to avoid clicking through multiple menus. Once the settings window appears, use the search bar and type in date and time settings. When you see that option, click on it to open the correct settings page. This section controls how your computer handles the current date, time, and time zone, which can directly affect how apps like Microsoft Teams display your schedule. Now, look for the time zone section. This is the setting you need to update. Open the drop-down menu and choose the correct time zone for your current location. Make sure you select carefully, especially if there are similar options with nearby cities or regions. Picking the right one is important so your meeting times, calendar events, and notifications appear accurately. After changing the time zone, Windows should apply the update automatically. If Teams was already open, give it a moment to refresh. In some cases, you may want to close and reopen Microsoft Teams so the new time setting is fully recognized. This can help if the calendar doesn't update right away. That's it. By updating the time zone in your Windows settings, you can make sure Microsoft Teams reflects the correct local time and keeps your meetings on schedule. If you travel often or switch between regions, it's a good idea to double check this setting whenever your schedule looks off.